Here is my new HP Envy x360 laptop. This is a 2-in-1 convertible laptop. It costed me around 85,000 with all the accessories. Let's open it up. This is the bill. The packing is really good. Let's see what's inside the box. Obviously the laptop, but let's see the condition of the laptop. Now let's unbox the box again. Let's see what's inside. Before going to the laptop, let's open this. This is a charger, the power cable, and this is the Indian standard 65-watt barrel pin charger. It's a fast charger, stylus pen. These are manuals. Stylus pen. It is very sleek, premium design, some extra nibs for the stylus pen. Go to the rechargeable one. This is a type C to type C cable. Sliding up this opens up the type C port to the pen. Now the laptop. It's a very slim laptop, lightweight. User manuals. Let's remove the plastic from the laptop. Feels very sturdy while holding this. There's a completely aluminum body. The HP logo here. The new gen HP logo. Now let's turn it on. Keyboard protector. It has a Gorilla Glass. A matte finish trackpad. Let's convert it into tent mode. Balances well itself on the tent mode. Turn it into the tablet mode. Both the tent and tablet mode turns off the keyboard. A 13.3-inch laptop, very light, good for the college students. Easy to carry, portable. Now let's turn it on. It has 8 GB of RAM, 512 GB of SSD, Ryzen 5 45000U processor and AMD Radeon graphics. Latest gen fingerprint sensor, Windows Hello support. Now let's check the ports. It has a 3.5mm headphone jack, a type A port, type C port, and on the right side it has a micro SD card reader, again a type A port, and the barrel pin charging port. It has a pre-installed Microsoft Office. Now coming to its most important feature for the graphic designers and artists, its stylus pen. Let's see the capability of this pen with Microsoft OneNote. and this is very smooth. No latency. You can easily draw anything. It has two physical buttons, one programmed for the eraser and another one for the right click. But you can change this on the HP Pen app. Now let's check the backlit keyboard. It is not a full size keyboard. It doesn't have numeric pads. It's a mini keyboard. It has a physical camera kill switch. As soon as a white color film comes over the camera and you press the switch, it prevents hackers from hacking your camera. Also, it has a microphone kill switch. It is very useful while attending meetings. It has a great audio of Bang& Olufsen, very loud and clear. Now coming to the accessories, this one is a hard disk drive of 1.5 TB storage and the brand is Seagate. Let's open this. It comes with a 3-year data recovery service. The size is very small and compact, easily portable. The quality of the wire is really good. Gradient texture over the hard disk drive and the branding is Seagate. 1.5 PB storage and it's made in Thailand, so you can easily rely on this. Now let's unbox the another item, that is duct.com Type-C multipurpose adapter. Let's open this up. There is another protective box inside this. Packing is really very good. It costed me around 1400 rupees and it's a good deal. Branding is duct.com and the outputs are another Type-C cable, a Type-A port and an HDMI port. Since the laptop lacks an HDMI port, we have to get this. It works flawlessly. सो इस लैपटॉप पे एक और भी मज़ेदार चीज़ किया जा सकता है, जैसे कि आप YouTube खोलें, वहाँ पे आर्ट स्प्लैश सर्च करें और वो सुंदर सा ऑप्शन पे क्लिक करके वहाँ पे सब्सक्राइब का बटन दबा दे और बेल आइकन पे क्लिक करके ऑल नोटिफिकेशन ऑन कर दे, तो आपका लैपटॉप लेने का उद्देश्य सफल हो जाएगा। धन्यवाद। जनहित में जारी।